Welcome back to Geometry Zone. In this video, we are going to learn an important theorem of parallelogram. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. Let us understand this step by step. First of all, we draw a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Here AC and BD are the two diagonals. They are intersect at the point O. Given here AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD. To prove ABCD is a parallelogram, first of all we consider two triangle AOB and triangle COD. Number 1 AO equal to OC, number 2 BO equal to OD, and angle AOB that equal to angle COD. They are vertically opposite angle. So the triangle AOB and COD are congruent to each other. Therefore angle ABO that equal to angle CDO, ABO that equal to CDO, and they are alternate angle. Therefore, side AD is parallel to DC. Similarly, angle OAB equal to angle OCD. They are also alternate angle. Therefore, AD parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Geometry Zone. Thank you. Visit again.